Pink Dahlia Soaps here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you are well. Today's soap is the second of the next few soaps that I'm making inspired by foods. Last time I went with the circus peanut. Today I'm going with the circus cookie or cracker or frosted animal crackers or whatever you call it. It's kind of circus themed and it's definitely a food. I use the term food very loosely in this situation, but I digress. The colors are fun, the theme is fun, so I figured let me turn it into a soap. Since I will be adding titanium dioxide to all three colors of the soap, I figured I'll go ahead and add it right now to the oils before I add the lye water solution. I actually could have added the titanium dioxide powder directly to the lye water solution, but I had already mixed it with the water and was like, I'll just use it like this, add it to the oils, and then add the lye water solution. No big deal. The fragrance oil that I'm using for this soap is, you guessed it, frosted animal cookies. I will talk more about this fragrance later. This fragrance oil can discolor the soap, hence the color stabilizer. I wanted to incorporate quote-unquote sprinkles on the inside of the soap. To achieve that effect, I shredded some colorful soap. I'm adding the shredded sprinkles to the pink and the white soap, which represents the pink and white frosting. And I'm doing a simple drop swirl. It's time to see what's on my embed tray. Are these freshly baked iced cookies? No, they're soap dough cookies and some vegan sprinkles. Of course I'm going to show you how I made them. So I found these really cute animal cookie cutters and I rolled out some soap dough and cut them out. At first I was going to leave them plain, that's why I put the little holes in them. Then I was like, let me go ahead and frost them. And the easiest way for me to frost these little animals was just to dump the melt and pour over them, let it harden up a bit, and then cut them out. I did try putting the sprinkles on the melt and pour soap immediately after pouring it on, but they would not stick. So I will be incorporating the sprinkles in a different way. I really liked the colors of this packaging, so I decided to use the same colors for the top.
Mandatory motion sickness inducing shaky shot.
Two days later, let's cut this soap. I love this soap. It's very fun. But you know what's not fun? The fact that the fragrance oil faded away. something told me to use a different fragrance oil because I do find that fragrance oils that kind of smell like baked goods, like vanilla, fade. They fade a lot. And this one is almost non-existent. And I'm so mad about that because it's such a cute soap. So if you like cute soap that pretty much smells like nothing, then you would love this one. What a big letdown to spend money on a fragrance oil, to put work into making the soap, and then it smells like nothing. Ugh, I could have just left it unscented. Could have saved some cash. Anyway, I think the soap came out very cute. Love it. You can still use it. It's just unscented, which is sad, but it's okay. It's okay. Anyway, that does it for today's soap. The next soap that I'm making is another soap inspired by a popular food item. I actually have made this soap before. It's just a remake of a soap that I made before. So I do hope that you will come back and join me for the remake. But until next time, as always and forever, thank you so very much from the bottom of my heart for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, or leave a comment below. Take care. Bye-bye.